Kamiti omulikiriwe nabukulika jumbenge wigugwitira semeria WhatsApp usiguya Kisii gwitira namba 0741499726. Inyagitaliga Busungu Medical Center igoba bwato bukoreri aho buno mbawate pharmacy iyubwata mulyogo onsi mbawate lab department asibakulingulya amarwire au mbawate bukoreri bwa ICU ule bwa theater guse radiology mbawate bukoreri bwa oncology ukora bari dialysis mbawate emergency wing na wigo amaliga nyabuna yeguru asibu babwate maternity wing igatiyo bukorera ibondo bunge nigo bagotoka sebara ya Kisii Kisumu Migori imeyumuchiriga umusungo asamange bakirisi migwetera namba cyabo 0111964576 gose 0742328552. Kwabiri gukorya road show track iyo bwate yugiriya iyo iratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate road show track experience niyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabiri gukorya track yiga ya road show iyo rakorere product launch use emisangerekano ya siasa brand activation use emisangerekano ya cooperative egatiye road show chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoletere track yibwate bagariya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eyugiriya nigo liriya kigima eliri cyujugire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo bwate DJ Janjere GMC nabwigo track nabo kugitumika asobokorera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito Chinsa na bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amuniji county chonsi imeyensi ya Kenya street ya goteka babuna street ndeyonsi chingaki ubunjeli bwawe nebyasara byakinirwe aka esimu gwetera namba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange.
Usogiri mwancho moligereria andonsia sore maragoba ya wono karibu sana ime ya Getembe TV kene Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi cha wono maragoba naletwa sore na inche Matildah Obaigwa na Wilson Makori kwa sensemo yebe manyerere sanga na intwe ase metano yeto ya kiraro na Getembe TV masemo yariko ya nyora asinchira ere ya bene na nekirongo chaka Ekeonga nigo bono yoromukonyi womurai asikia magia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i bono anyareko ya mocha serikali ya motukaiga kora wano muske William Ruto kaukwana umugasolero chinga kiara usanga na barari asikia magia Jubilee kenyara usanga na barari nigo muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i atevire serikali tera wakewikirania magendero ase chinsemo na kubwa muno kuregana ni chira chire yanyarete kuria ase bono yabirike utwara ebitambiro ekero asekero.
The worst mistake you can make as a government is to politicize national security issues. Itu bereke siasa kwa maneno na masuala ya usalama. Tikitu ikitokea useme ni kabila hii ama ni kabila ingine, ni wale wengine, ni sehemu hii. Kasumba kama hii imetuletea shida huko mbeleni. Na tusiende barabara hiyo tafadhali, tutaumiza nchi. Tusiende barabara hiyo. Na yale ambayo yamefanyika jana, ukiangalia mambo ambayo yalifanyika Murang'a jana, mambo ambayo yalikuwa yanafanyika Naivasha, unaona wazi kwamba labda kulikuwa na mpango hapa. But I'm asking the government, if you want to prove us wrong, arrest those who are involved and present them before a court of law, because that is how you prove that you are serious. lakini kila wakati ni excuses, you know. Maybe somebody should award this government or record them in the Guinness Book of World Records for being the government that has generated the most excuses to govern. Oh, we inherited empty coffers. Oh, it is Uhuru. Oh, it was Raila and Azimio. Oh, it is who. I mean, it's someone else is to blame, not their own failure to manage the country. Hiyo ndio shida. Tunawaheshimu kama viongozi wetu. Wakati umefika, if they did not see this danger, wakati umefika wa kufanya mjadala. Lakini sisi kama chama cha Jubilee ndio wa kwanza kusema tunajiunga na Wakenya wengine kukataa finance bill 2026, reject finance bill 2026.
Na gukwanira sekta y'obosombi mensi ya Kenya nigo muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i anyare kumuchia serikali asatebiruna chibesa ligo chabere chigutumeka bobe chibesa echo chibona tukorusiwa sekigancha keria kemanikanete asekinyamuriro buna fuel levy bono chiago tabuna andake agosemire tukoyo na chibesa echo nchirororo echo bono chabonete gukonya abakenya kubasira kurwa ase ogukonga kweriguri ria maguta ime yense.
Whether you bribe leaders of the transport sector for a day or two to get out of the street, whether you intimidate them or whatever you do, the problem does not go away. And this is the same short-termism, short-sighted way of managing the country that these people have adopted. There's a problem, throw money at it, bribe some people, or alternatively intimidate them or abduct them, or alternatively say ni kabila fulani nataka kuleta shida. You are moving all of us into a crisis. And trying to profile one community, you think it is going to be fashionable? Shida ambayo iko kila mahali Kenya hii. Hata ukienda Garissa, uende wapi, shida ni hiyo kila Mkenya anapitia. Sasa kwanza kuambia wananchi eti ni maneno yanaletwa na kabila moja and so on and so forth, which doesn't make sense. The leaders of the transport sector said they gave them 7 days. We wait and see. But for us and through the members of parliament we are going to continue communicating that a lot needs to be done. Maybe the funds in that petroleum development levy fund should be availed to the market to stabilize the situation and reduce the pressure on the ordinary consumers. But there isn't much there anyway, to be honest with you. That's why I said the other day, I think we are in a crisis. There isn't much money there. Even if whatever is there was put out, it will not cushion us for long. And this is as a result of the decisions we have made. We may be having a crisis in the Middle East right now, but largely the current situation is as a result of long-term corrupt, actions that we have taken, and they are going to bite us.
Na chinga kicho niko bono abo bwatani bekyama gya Jubilee fanyali gukwana nerio gerimo na komocha serikali yo muske William Ruto ase batebruna serikali iganigo yabirige kobekera umurai bwekyama gya Jubilee sumurai bwekyama kyo muske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta amagoso ayo atabwati ase batebruna nigo bakumungacha na nerwe nare negati ya barai bari banyalite kurangeria ukurubekana ukugwa korekanete ewiki yiga na sense mwende niko batebruna ubugesaku niko bugendrete kuranda ase serikali eye ya matukaya.
We'd like to ask a few pertinent questions. What has our party leader, Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, to do with what's going on in this country? Yesterday, we saw a cabinet secretary attack the former head of state who ruled this country for 10 years, who ensured that the economy was running well, who ensured that there was peace, and who ensured that every Kenyan felt that this country belonged to him or her. What has he done to be castigated day and night? We are asking this government to let Uhuru Kenyatta be. He gave them a country that was running, that was peaceful, and that was actually a paragon or a powerhouse in East Africa.
A little bit of what has happened before. 2013, Uhuru went out of his way na akamchukua Ruto kama his running mate. Na Jubilee took a slogan ya kusema tuko pamoja. 2017, again, it was Ruto again running mate to Uhuru. Jubilee put parties together na tukachukua slogan ya kusema mbele pamoja. 2018 Uhuru goes out of his way, gets the late leader Amolo Odinga, and they have a great handshake. In the same spirit of twende mbele pamoja kama Kenya. But immediately after that, after the 2022 elections, what do we see? An onslaught on Jubilee, an onslaught on Uhuru's family, vita baada ya vita, watu wanatamani nyama ya kodo yake, wengine wanaenda kusema mpaka wanaharibu jina ya Mama Ngina Kenyatta. We are out in the streets, tumefaa sufuria, tumeenda Limuru 3, all these things were being done by Kenyans.
Utigana nayo homo governor wa county ya Nyamira homosike Amos Kimumenyaribo nigubona ritukuria rero anyara gukora itaro anamuno ase Chinsa muchiri cia kebirigo asanyara gutarira chi skuru kuba muno ka ukona kora ase skuru ya secondary ya kebirigo boys nigubona homosike Nyaribo anyara gukwanira sector y'oburimi ase chi skuru ase atabire uyu no murobero ogendete kwanekiwa ase Chinsa mo ono bwigo chi county ime yense ya Kenya ase anyari gusegeta buna haboroki wose cy'skuru kinyari wesimekera kingeni cyabo cyegekoro anomuno kingeni kimanyikanite buna cyekenyeji ase okurageria cy'skuru gusokorageria ababwatani be cy'skuru.
So my duty today is to officially launch the accommodation of local vegetables in our institutions in the whole of the Republic of Kenya. Na iendelee mbele. Lero nacha akolonche project ye. Nere ntangani ase Kenya ngima. Abana baito bisekere banyakonyora nutritious vegetables. Nade to wakira mbeyono National Museum aso gotwara birangari ebiya na intutore taya kubwatsia. Nare ramatu agocha ikyankebirigo twara onche bare yeme weta round kebirigo maiga esoke chidoka mwenu. It is 1.5 kilometers to Aeronzi. Now there are announced here, don't get 40 street lights. Ya Kebirigo.
Na ya mate ya mokoro ase kenyero kiage susu iyo kutoka ime ya Nyangena sub location mugonchoro location ewadiri ya Kemera county ya Nyamira nigobono ya Nyare Wesokya na kuboria onde obwate oroboti goro y'omwana obo we grade ya PP2 aserieta Bravin Mukaya uyu nyarete kubura ewike ya mubono yarire anyare kubamanya korengana na ngina koro aserieta Dorika Munyenye nikubono akorera buna umwana ogosomwana uyu niganyarete kurwa ase skuru mwana uyu bwate myaka 5 kurende wikira bono igatanya kororekana engana yabatigire obwo bonge na boigo obukendu ase amatuko amange bono nekiro bakuboria yororero umwana uyu nyare kubamanya mwana aserieta Bravin Mukaya
mwana mwabana rororo uyu ranko yayo kurukubundi agachekere mbure konyirira tamanyora kanura cyanga cyanga sikubugaiga noyo kabira agacha ukurukwa Nicholas bundi nera tamanyora uyu gatatu ninjenge tubana kurumugondo tinamanyora nkarangeti tinamoigwa ona Chinsa cha saa 10 alingo chakonyora ngabona mwana mutali yanga ngamnyoka sichirani akabora
babeke chi police station chi report police station twaligiri chingoro twaligiri chinyomba twaitana nirekerase
aro mwana omanyerera iga tari morap no mamwam abegete cha morigi twatamire kumorigi chichaime meteime chingoro ime otobolire ni chinyomba
inchoko kanikwane gwetanie family uno mulisi bwe kanisa ekiagera omwana oyo igari kanisa ya itoga ya mukwero tutaraja kwanza nonye kwende kwetira sobolire bwe kanisa family abana ba chingondi chito tokolera nabo tubwate rigienda inje gwika personal gokinora ati ange sokoro obwa matobo ne guchia so mwana na buri bwingenjo sana nkonya gusaba na inje ngusaba ngagaki nyasa uriore igurato igorere erindo mwana oyo aoroke na enda aoroke kare bia kianteto mwana oyo aoroke no mwana okwana na ende guchibindu gitangutangu jinge kabirechi mwana uri atoke kwanse binge baraisa kwaeresa nga ikonyari
gaki kamuranje yo komorandonsi ato moe
gaki gusiyase yabeta kimuratororera omwana oyu ande igabwate emiaka 5 abegete sweta ya puru ebwate gobi akabeka nekenyasa ya puru nechiafuta chia puru kimora mororande gaki kimoranje motokonye twatwarira amayanda ntori goswa nyomba ntori korara twaruboire chingoro twakororire chi unit gweta chindoche twarigiri paka chicho twamumoire baminto gaki ntorara mwana oyo gaki kimoranje tokonye gaki
kero kende no nyana sibaka gerete ngonde naru moirete mbaboreti iso mwana agakana nere taramorra igobona ntugo saba goitunga ondo moroche atoiraneri omwana
ondo byanse oramorore anyara kabaga gototebi namba yesi imire 0705 7444 85 gaki gongo sabo bwantanyo banana ayo raro omwana oyi gaki anyara kabaga gototebi
wancho umurigireria gutigana nayo muswati bwe miaka 30 noyomo aserita Judith Kirubo Nyamongo uyo berega kurigirwa n'abanyanyimbo anane muno asubutuki bugendererete kubwatikana n'uguitwa kumugendia epigipigi uyo mwaserita Peter Mutari uyo nyarito sirubuguma bwaye mutinye 11 umwaka weta Chinsa chia Kionganyo iyo gutoka ime abo Baracho Ward constituency ya Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii nigono anyarire kubekwa biara musubati yo serita Judith anyarire kubwatwa kare asumubaga kusasi Chinsa chia Rubebe rwa Kenya na Tanzania Chinsa chia Namanga chingaki ali gutambuka gucha senseri ya Tanzania afanya nyimbo bogoro butuki nigono banyarire kumubeka biara nabo igonekero obutuki bugendete gukorekana nabo igonekera arachikune ngiwa iguru yogoitwa ku mwana boda oyoyomo
10th of November last year, Judith Kirubo Nyamongo and others happened to murder a boda rider by the name Peter Mutari. Since then, she has been escaping police dragnet until on Friday when she was arrested as she was trying to cross Namanga border to Tanzania. Apparently, we had placed a stop order with the Immigration Department, and immediately she was trying to cross over. She was stopped and handed over to our counterparts Namanga, and we were informed immediately, and we went to collect her. Today, we have been able to arraign her in court, seeking custodial orders, and you have been granted 10 days custodial orders so that you can complete investigations before she can be charged formally with the offense of murder. Already there are 2 suspects before court and the other 3 remaining. For the 3 who are remaining, we are closing up on them, and in due course we shall also be able to arrest them so that they are all charged with the offense of murder. Thank you. The guy who was murdered was a boda rider by the name Peter Mutari. Was around 25 years of age, and the reason why they decided to murder that gentleman is because it is said he assaulted the cousin to Judith.
Wancho murigire mbia mwana sana kiagira kwagendere kobo mwegeno ime ya Getembe TV korwa mambi wikira chinga kichiga kolende tobosagoska kiagira emerobere ya Getembe TV negendererete nchengoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa Wilson Makori korwa sevi manyererio Kevin Ongeri korwa se studio ya kavere twara oburigererio bia na wego gendera kwechengira emerobere ya Ekeonga kya Mwamogusti.